welcome to this webinar. Now in this webinar I'll be personally explaining exactly how you can properly get jobs on the Glamour official website, how you can earn, and basically everything you need to know about it. Now imagine earning over 10k to 50k on a daily basis or 50k on a weekly basis from completing simple online jobs. Now this is just like remote jobs basically, but these particular jobs are so simple that anyone can do it without experience, without any form of restriction or whatever. Now in this webinar I'll be able to explain in details how I've been able to make over 5 million naira on this particular website called glamourofficial.com.ng. And please make sure you watch this particular webinar from the beginning to end. Do not skip any information that you get on this particular video, because trust me, it will be worth your time. Just give me about 5 to 10 minutes of your time right now, and I'll pass on this information, and it will be up to you to take action on this particular amazing website, or you lose out on it. Now let's go straight into the class. This particular website has changed my life. I literally went from the first image right here, which is me working a 15k monthly job, 15,000 naira on a monthly basis. I go through this business, I was able to grow myself to making over 10 million in 10 months on the online space. Now a lot of people have been thinking that making money online is a scam, or making money online is something that cannot be done, you understand, but it's very, the internet has made it so basically easy for someone to make money online. You just have to be determined. You just have to have that hunger in you to make money for yourself, and you'll be able to do that. There's no two ways about it. You just have to be determined and consistent, and trust me, everything will just happen as you go. Now let's go straight into the class. Now these are results from my students like this. You guys already know I've grown myself to making over 10 million, and as I grew myself to this particular point I am in right now, I also carried some people along with me, because that's what I always like to do. Now these are my students right here. This is Clinton right here. He made over 250 or 225k on this particular website, glamourofficial.com.ng, and he was able to place a withdrawal right here. This is Vicky right here. He has made over 400k. He also made his withdrawal. He basically submitted an assignment, because back then I gave him an assignment to hit over 400k on this particular website. He came through with it. And this is Joy right here. She was also able to make over 167k on this particular website. A lot of my students have made crazy amount of money on this particular website, but these are the students I will just drop right now. Let us go straight into what we have for you guys today. And right here, this is the official earning platform, glamourofficial.com.ng. Please and please do not go to Google Play Store to download any app. Glamour does not have any app on the Google Play Store. Please and please don't do that. Now let's go straight into it. Now, few reasons why this particular business is one of the easiest business to join in 2026. Firstly, you are not selling anything to anybody on this business. This business doesn't involve you selling anything. You're not selling anything. All you have to do is to complete the simple jobs that are available on this website, which I'll be showing you how you can complete these jobs, how you can do these jobs, and how you can make money from doing these particular jobs. Just all you have to do is to watch this particular webinar from the beginning to the end without skipping anything. Now let's go straight. The next one, you don't need any of it to actually participate. You can participate right now with just your smartphone, and you're good to go in the comfort of your home. Now the next one, it is a long-term platform. Once you get registered on this particular platform, you can earn from it massively for a long term. Now next one, you can also start from the comfort of your home. Now you can start from anywhere you are, your workplace, your house, your room, your kitchen, anywhere you can complete this particular jobs. The highest requirement is 30 minutes and you're done with these jobs basically. Now the next one, you don't need to show your face. You don't need to show your face on social media. You don't need to do anything of that sort. All you have to do is to complete these available jobs on glamourofficial.com.ng, and you can withdraw your money straight into your account. Now the next one, you already have all you need to start, which is your smartphone. You don't need a system. You don't need any other thing to start up. All you need is your smartphone and the right information, which I'll be giving to you in this class. So make sure you watch the video without skipping. Now at the end of this video, I'll also be giving you a 3-step formula that will make it's very easy for you to complete every single task and make over 12 euros in a day, because this platform, if you complete all the taxes available in a day, you'll be making over 12 euros. That 12 euros is over 24,000 naira that you'll be making in a single day. Just take calculation of it in a week or in a month. You can see how much you'll be making from this particular website. Now the next one, you also get a gift at the end. So if you skip this video, you'll be missing out on that particular gift, because you won't know where I will drop it. Now moving on. Now this particular website, like I said from the beginning, you get access to remote jobs on this particular website. Now with Glamour, once you sign up, you get listed and you are connected with European firms that need your service. Now what are these services that you render? Now you work these remote jobs and you get paid 5 euros per hour. Now you imagine getting paid 5 euros per hour, and in the total of the end of the day, you get, or you manage and earn 12 euros every single day for performing these simple activities, these simple jobs. Now let's go straight to the next one. Now examples of jobs available on Glamour are: firstly, in the same way you save contacts and those contacts view your status on WhatsApp. Now once you join Glamour and you connect with these European firms, you get access to jobs relating to you posting on your status on WhatsApp. Now each post you make, you earn 3 euros. 3 euros per post you make for these European firms. No, now these particular posts are basically adverts. They need those adverts to be visible to more African prospects. Now you are the one who give them those African prospects by posting it on your status. Now let's move on. Now another remote job they can do on Glamour is basically using your ChatGPT. Now you earn 1 euro per script you write with ChatGPT. Now these people, they give you jobs. They tell you, okay, go and write or go and make a research on so topic. Now you go into ChatGPT and make this research, make a detailed research, and then put in that particular research on the platform. Now once ChatGPT gives you the results for what you made research on, you go ahead, copy it from ChatGPT, edit it a little bit, and paste it on the platform. Once you paste it on the platform, you earn over 1 euro per script. So if you paste 2 scripts, you earn 2 euros, 3 scripts, and so on and so forth. So you can earn over 12 euros per day just from doing this. Now let's move on to the next one, which is Glam Voice. Now share tips, share fun stories, and share lifestyle trends, and everything from scripts provided by your European counterparts. Now these are scripts. Basically you get access to scripts on the platform. Now these platforms have already created the scripts. All you have to do is to make a voiceover for those scripts, just like you created a script here right now. After creating the scripts are being given to other users on the website to create voiceovers on them. These voiceovers can be used by these European counterparts to make online videos that can give them money, can make other videos that can give them more prospects or more people in their businesses, and so on and so forth. So all you have to do is to make a voice note, and by each voice note you make, or by each voiceover you make on them, you earn over 5 euros for every voiceover. So imagine earning 5 euros per voiceover you make for this particular European counterpart. So they are earning massively from doing these two activities right now. Now the next one right here, this one is another job that you can do on Glamour, which involves you FaceTiming your European connections. Now you earn 3 euros for each Glamour connect. All you have to do is to FaceTime them, or communicate with them per call, and you get 3 euros per call. Now on Glamour, 1 euro is fixed to 2,000 naira, so which means you're earning over 6,000 naira per video, FaceTime, or chat. And the more connections you make, the more money you make. That's basically how you earn on this particular aspect. Now here are some results from my students right here. This is John right here. He made over 89,000 withdraw and made a withdrawal on it. Now this is Gentle right here. He has made over 1.5 million on this particular Glamour website. And this is Delight, I think. Yeah, she has made over 3 million on this particular Glamour website, as you can see. So basically, to get access to this particular website, all you have to do is to search glamour.com.ng on your Chrome browser and you get access to the website. You can go ahead and get registered there. Once you get registered, you'll get access to your account and you start earning immediately. Now to the next one, Glamour earning instruction. Now this is a very simple breakdown of how you earn on this particular website. As I've been saying in the beginning, to get access to this Glamour website, you need a one-time payment of 14,000 naira. Once you make a one-time payment of 14,000 naira on the website, you get access to all the jobs available on the Glamour website. Now you are earning over €2 for each job you perform, which is over 4,000 naira per each job you perform, and totally at the end of the day you should be earning €12. So imagine earning €12 every single day, which is equivalent to 24,000 naira every single day from just doing these simple activities like real time, like the copy and paste scripts, like the posting on your status, or like the simple jobs that are available on this website. I mean, it's very massive. Let me ask you a question. Will you like me to give you a step-by-step guide that have helped over 536 of my students make over €500 on this particular website, glamourofficial.com.ng? Will you like me to give you access to that same step-by-step guide that have helped them make over 1 million naira in no time on this particular website? If you want that, just drop your comment in the comment section. I'll reach out to you personally to give you access to that step-by-step guide. Drop it in the comment section and let's go on. Alright, so if you need a step-by-step guide that's helped over 536 of my students to make over 1 million on Glamour, all you have to do is to keep watching this video to the end and you'll get access to it. Don't skip this video for anything. And let's move on. Now, to get access to this simplified step-by-step guide plus access to my support group where you'll be able to connect with people and also where you'll be able to get updated information on how you can actually scale up your earnings on Glamour, you'll be getting access to the step-by-step guide and our support group. Now, I've prepared a well-detailed guide and support group where I'll probably guide you exactly how I was able to make over 5 million on Glamour. Now, this particular website, glamourofficial.com.ng, all you have to do is to go ahead and get registered through this link I am mentioning right now. The link is down in the description. You can go down to the description, get registered through the link right there, and you'll get access to the simplified step-by-step guide and also access to my mentorship support group. Alright, so what will you get from this simplified step-by-step guide and my support group? Now, firstly, you get access to the Glamour legit site that pays you over €2. That's over 4,000 naira per job you complete on this particular website. And the value for registration on this particular platform is 14,000 naira. Now, moving on, you also get access to my full blueprint on how you can complete everyday jobs easily and fast. So I'll be giving you a full blueprint that you can implement on your account that will help you out with completing every single activity or job that you get available on this particular website. Now, thirdly, you'll also be getting access to my secret guide on how I and my students personally have been able to use and earn over more than €12 daily. So normally you earn only €12 per day, you understand? So your earnings is capped at €12. So once you reach €12, you cannot earn any more again. But me and my students have been able to make more than €12 on a daily basis. You have been able to make figures like 20k, 30k, more than €12 on a daily basis. That's over 50k to 100k on a daily/weekly basis. So you can actually get access to this particular secret guide that many students have been able to use to make massive figures on this platform. On top of that, you also be getting lifetime access to our support group. So you'll get lifetime access to the support group chat, so you'll be able to communicate and get full information and full updates on what is new on the platform. Now, this total value of everything here is 66,000, but obviously you will not be paying that amount. Now you'll be getting everything here. I'll be showing you guys, you'll be getting everything I've mentioned right now. You're getting it for free you'll be getting every single thing I've mentioned right here for free. You're getting access to the blueprints, you'll be getting access to the secret guide, you also be getting lifetime access to the support group, all for free. All you have to do is to make your payment of 14,000 through the link down in the description, and you get access to all these benefits for free. You understand? Normally I could have charged you the blueprint separately, I could have charged you the secret guide separately, but no, I'll be giving you all this for free immediately after you get access to the platform, which will cost you just 14,000 naira. Now moving on, these are some results from my students. You can see this is over 300k, and she said, "Chai, I wish I have taken this business seriously earlier, but thank God I wasn't too late." Now see, over 300k made in just a week of earning on this particular website, glamourofficial.com.ng. Now this is on that proof for my student. This is over 225k. Now this is on that one. This is Debbie. She made over 1 million on this particular website. Now this is another one. This is over 800k made by my students on this particular platform. As you can see, this is a very recent withdrawal. This is on 13th of March, which just passed right now. Now this is one of my students. He just hit over 1 million on this particular website, glamourofficial.com.ng, and as you can see right here, he basically sent me a testimonial on how beneficial my classes and my mentorship has been for him. So all you have to do is to go down to the description, click on the link right there, the glamourofficial.com.ng link, you to take you to the website. It is my personal link. All you have to do is to register with that link, and you get access to my mentorship, you get access to the secret guide and every single thing you need to earn on this particular website. You can also message me on Telegram with the link down in the description. There's a link down there. You can message me on Telegram if you want to message me directly instead of through the website. Now, so if you don't have Telegram, you can also go ahead and download Telegram and message me on Telegram, because I'm very active and I'm also verified on Telegram. So when you're messaging me, be sure that the account that you're messaging is a verified account on Telegram. Now let's move on. Now, for staying to the end of this video, for staying to this point of the video, for staying to this point of the webinar, you'll be getting access to my discount. Now for watching to the end, you'll be getting access to a discount of 13,000 naira. So you'll be paying 13,000 naira instead of 14,000 naira to get access to Glamour official website. And mind you, you won't be paying any other amount, just 13,000 naira, and you get access to every single thing that I've mentioned here. You'll be getting just 13,000 naira, and be getting every single thing I mentioned here. You'll be getting access to the blueprints for the jobs. You'll be getting access to the secret guide that me and my students have been able to use to make more than 12 euros every single day on this particular website. Also, you'll be getting free access to my support group, which is worth over 66k, but with just 13,000 naira right now, the discount which is available to you right now for watching to this point of the video, you'll be getting access to all this for just 13,000 naira. All you have to do is to click on the first link down in the description. It will take you to my Telegram DM or to the website. All you have to do is to make payment through there. Now you basically have two options. Now the first option is to do nothing, which almost everybody might prefer doing. You keep doing nothing, you keep waiting for your helper to come and hope that your financial situation changes, which we obviously know won't happen if you are staying stagnant. Or the second option, you take action right now and watch as your financial situation changes in a shocking way in less than a month. Now this particular business model, if you take it seriously and you actually take action right now, there is no way that you will not make crazy amount of money for yourself in less than a month, as far as you take it seriously. Now let's move on. Now all you have to do is to DM me on my Telegram with the word discount, and I'll know that it came from this video. I'll grant you the discount of 13,000 naira. Immediately you make payment, you get access to every single thing I've mentioned in this video immediately.